in solidarity with Captain Ibrahim Traorè. Prophet Adeloluwa, Diaspora Youth Leader, and High Commander Egunle Oluwamayo Aike Mayor, home-based youth leader of the Yoruba Nation Youth Movement, stand in solidarity with Captain Ibrahim Traorè of the Yoruba Nation Youth. Ibrahim Traorè, the president of Burkina Faso, in effort assets his country's sovereignty and independence from sovereign NATO, influence in particularly from France. We, the Yoruba Nation Youth, express our unwavering support for Captain Ibrahim Traorè, vision for self-determined and prosperous Burkina Faso. We recognize the importance of Africa leader taking bold steps to break free from the shackle of neocolonialism and assert their nation sovereignty. The Yoruba Nation Youth leader commend Captain Ibrahim